In this video, I'll show you to make these very simple but sturdy sawhorses made entirely out of 2x4s. I used about 5 2x4s, 8-footers for both of these together. And we'll jump right into the cut list. So I started with the legs. These are going to be 33 inches. I'm cutting 2 of them out of one 2x4, and the piece you'll have left will be about 30 inches or a little bit less than that. And that'll be for one of the I-beam pieces. So I'm going to keep doing this until I have all my legs cut and all the I-beam pieces. When it's all said and done, you'll need to cut 2 more of the 30-inch I-beam pieces out of one more 2x4, which will be the 5th one. So for each sawhorse, you're going to have 4 legs at 33 inches and 3 I-beam pieces at right around 30 inches. And making these out of 2x4s makes this build a very budget-friendly build, coming in around $20 or less for 2 sturdy sawhorses. You're not going to get them that cheap at the store. And I've been using these things for years, doing most of my outdoor painting on them, my furniture pieces. Or you could just lay a piece of plywood across them and make a little table, little portable table. Now that all the pieces are cut, we'll start with the I-beam. We're just going to take our 2x4s and form an I-beam with it. Doesn't have to be perfectly centered. This is just a sawhorse. I'm going to put 5 2.5-inch deck screws on the top of this first board, spaced evenly apart. I'm going to pre-drill my holes so I don't split the wood. Once one side's done, we'll do the exact same thing with the other side. Pre-drill the holes, and then add 5 of the 2.5-inch deck screws. You could always make these longer if you want to. I just chose to do the 30-inch to save some wood, and 30-inch sawhorse is pretty good size, so it works out nice. So if you do longer ones, you'll just need to buy a couple more 2x4s. And since we're making 2 sawhorses, we're going to do the exact same thing and make another I-beam using those 3 30-inch pieces and the 5 2.5-inch deck screws on each side. Once the 2 I-beam pieces are made, we can then attach the legs. These are the 33-inch pieces. They're going to fit right underneath that top 2x4 into the side of that I-beam. Now I'm actually using 3-inch deck screws to hold these in together. And with these 33-inch legs, they'll give you an overall height of right around 34.5 to 35 inches for your sawhorse, which for me, that's like a perfect tabletop height, perfect working height. And once we get those first 2 legs on, we'll flip it around and put the other 2 on in the exact same way. Those 3-inch deck screws right into the side of that I-beam, underneath that top 2x4. Same thing with the next one. The 2 3-inch screws. You could always add a couple more screws if you want. They are kind of a little loose, it seems like, although I've never had one fail on me. You could put a couple more screws on the side, but 2 seems to do the trick. And if you ever wanted some beefier, heavier duty sawhorses, these always could be done with a 2x6. That would make it kind of heavy. These 2x4s make it a little more portable, but all in all, it'd work the same way. And just like that, we have our heavy-duty sawhorses made completely out of 2x4s. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.